Assalamualaikum! Welcome back to my channel! Bangus. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! And today, we are gonna be eating Filipino food. We have boneless daing na bangus. We have fried eggplant. And of course, your garlic fried rice. So let's get to it, because as usual, I'm so hungry. Syempre, we will be dipping it in our vinegar with soy sauce, and onions. So delicious. What should we talk about today? I was thinking talk about defense mechanisms. If you ask me what this is, these are unconscious ways of people to respond to difficult situations happening to them. And it's quite important to understand it because it's very common. Stress is very common, and the way you respond to it is unconscious, but it might be affecting other people. And for people who's experiencing it from other people, it would be good for you to understand that maybe they're going through something like that. But first, wait, I just want to show you. This is the favorite part of almost a lot of people, so I'm gonna go for it. One example of a defense mechanism is denial, which people tend to be at when they're in a breakup or they lost a job. And you know, the denial and other forms of defense mechanisms can go with it. Like, you're in denial, like you still haven't completely absorbed what's happening to you, and you rationalize. When you say rationalize, you try to find reasons for what has happened to you. For example, you lost your job. I think it's not my fault. I think it's because da 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 da, etc., etc. Yun. Or displacement. When you get fired, this is when you project your anger or your frustration to other things or people. When you get fired, for example, you go home to your wife and you get so mad at her for maybe not cooking on time, etc. These are your defense mechanisms, which you should be also aware of, because it's actually unhealthy. Because you're affecting other people and it might be hurting them, or other people. Where you should know this, because everybody's going through a lot. And defense mechanisms can't be avoided. But the best way is to cope. How do you cope? You address it. You talk about it. You analyze it. And you do a self-awareness check. Yun. OMG. I think my rice is not enough. Me, when I'm stressed, my usual coping is to vent out. You know, sometimes you always need someone to talk to. And then I ask, like, usually I talk to my best friend, Krisha, who's in Australia, because she knows me, she's mature. And when you're wrong, she tells you. Because I want another perspective, because you cannot really avoid to think like, no, I was right. But when you try to ask from a different angle, you might be missing some parts of the situation. That will make you realize you contributed to what happened. And it's always the case. It's never a one-way street. You have many other types of defense mechanisms, like reaction formation, sublimation. You should try to check on it online, because I don't want to misguide you. Maybe I might be defining it incorrectly, but check it online so you would be able to understand if you're reacting that way or other people are actually on a defense mechanism. Why did I talk about this? It's just because every day you hear things and makes you realize that what they're showing you is so different from what they're actually going through. So yeah, it's already like the end of September. Can you just imagine? Like, it just passed by so quickly. And let's hope the COVID will also pass by. In a snap. Oh. Kaya pag English, ubos na po ang belly. I mean, the belly is almost over. Arte daw ng kamay ko eh. Ano ba kumain? Nakaganon. I think, because you know, growing up, I think a lot of Filipinos can relate. We consume more rice than the viand, the ulam. How to finish without kanin? Sabi natin. So that's it, pancit, for today. I want to leave, I want to read the quote that I was referring to in my last vlog because it really hit me. Because you know, you always have that, this is who I am, thinking, and well, this really hit me, and I hope you will be able to, get something from it, I guess. Sabi sa, I found this in the Artidote website or page on Facebook. Sabi niya, the attitude of "that's just how I am, take it or leave it" is still a sign of immaturity. As an adult, it's your responsibility to figure out which of your traits are toxic and are negatively impactful towards other people and the ones you love, and to eventually learn how to fix them. at some point, we all gotta start making ourselves better individuals, which should always be the goal. If you truly believe you don't have to change anything about yourself, even at the very least the worst in you, and that people will just have to deal with it, then sorry, you're still a child. This was a quote from David Christopher Heisen. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be leaving this mukbang with that quote. And yes, you know, we always have to aim to be a better version of ourselves every day. Because remember, it's not about always proving you're right to people. It's how you touch their lives. It's your legend when you leave a place, a workplace, a country, and when you leave the world. Always. Sabi nga sa Cinderella, always be kind and have courage. Cheers! Peace out! Bye-bye! Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye!